Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Chatai.com subscription, so try this method. All steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Log into your Chatai.com account. Click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the page. Moving forward, click on Subscription. You will be able to see which plan you are subscribed to and upgrade/downgrade options. On the top right corner, you will see two options: pause subscription and cancel subscription. If you wish to cancel your subscription, click on the second option and your subscription will be cancelled. Feel free to add the reasons why you are cancelling the subscription. Your subscription will be cancelled instantaneously and you will not receive any further charges. And you are done. If you are facing any issue, you can try method 2. In this method, you can write a proper email with all the required information and clearly stated that you want to cancel your subscription. And send that composed email to help@chatai.com. Once they will receive your email, they will reply to your email within 24 hours. And you are done.